feel like such a creeper. You have no idea. I feel like he knows.
You're both filming it?
Like, he keeps looking over here. I feel like he's like, what are they doing? I wouldn't be surprised if he started, like, bitching at us.
Just call out, hey kid, you want to be a movie star? Seriously, whose parents? Like,
I don't think their parents are here. Did you see them? They came and, like, ran right into the pool.
kids are hard.
Dude, he keeps looking over here.
I feel too awkward. Like a pedophile.
I seriously feel like a
He's
child
checking you
molester.
out.
No, he keeps looking over here because he's like, what are they doing? Like, both of their phones are out. Like, following me.